So those who don't know, here's what's going on. I sold the truck and I guess it showed up at the port with a blown head gasket or something, I'm not sure. While it was here, it was running well. So moving forward, I'm offering full maintenance on vehicles prior to export. So we sent this vehicle, we picked it up, I put insurance on it. I ordered a timing belt kit from Yahoo Auctions, put insurance, got this car to the base. They did a timing belt, oil change, coolant, recharged the AC, and I've been driving it for 2 days. Everything is perfect, starts right up. I don't think it needs a new battery, but I can 100% put a new battery if need be. It's only like 40 or 50 bucks, I believe. So moving forward, we can offer that. I'm not going to do that on every truck, but because some people are buying these vehicles to tinker, so I'm not going to do that for every truck. If you want it, we can do it. So here's the breakdown. Here's how it went of what that process looks like. Stand by. So the Acti truck with the timing belt, water pump, oil change, coolant, it's ready to be picked up. So I am walking off base to go pick it up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am walking to pick it up. Yikes. Arigato.
Oil change and the coolant including.
Yep. And timing belt.
Time belt included.
And water pump.
Water bottle is also.
Okay. 24,000?
Yes.
Okay.
900.
Okay. Arigato.
Okay.
Okay. And we're good. All right. We are G2G. We made it. it safe. Alright, so while I'm here, I'm going to make a bunch of pictures and content real quick. Oh, that's a new beat. Alright, let me hop over here. I'm gonna go live and do a bunch of stuff. That completes this video.